Hello everybody and welcome at IceWarp Academy. In previous tutorial, I've shown you how to download and install IceWarp Desktop Client. This time, we will go through its features and I will show you all the basics about it. In this tutorial, I won't explain you how to configure your email account, as this topic was covered in previous guide, IceWarp Desktop Client, Installation and Configuration. So let's get started. IceWarp Desktop Client is not only email client, it also works with calendar events, tasks, contacts, and even with your Insta messaging. Desktop Client in this version 12 features much simplified user interface, so it's not very difficult to get familiar with it. To create a new message, just go here to top left corner of the screen and click on the new. Or you can also use just the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and N as a new. Here, just specify the recipient. And of course, you can also add CC or BCC fields through this button. Fill in the subject and write body of the message. It's pretty common to use signatures in messaging, so let's select one. I will go here. Oh, I don't have it yet. So let's go to Manage and create a new one. Click on Add Signature. Specify its name, and write content of the signature. Good. Click OK, and confirm. Now I can go again into the signatures and select that I'd like to use my basic. Good. Now I need to attach a file, or let's say screenshot. So I go here to select an attachment and select the file I'd like to attach. Good. I also would like to send it with high priority and would like to receive the delivery receipt, which is under the More button right here as the second item of the menu. Perfect. By the way, did you know that you can use several aliases which are configured for your account also here in Desktop Client? All you have to do is just to expand this From field and select one of those aliases you'd like to use. Now we can send it, and that's it. Okay, now we should talk about Conversations view. IceWarp Desktop Client analyzes subject of the conversation in your messages and automatically binds relevant messages into conversations. To see whether it is a conversation or just one email, you can have a look right below the date of the message, as here. Underneath, there is no rectangle with gray background, as here in the other messages. So for example, this one consists from 3 different messages. And if I will switch to different one, you every time see here on the top of the screen that there is one or several other messages to show. So if I'll go here and select to show 2 older messages, I can actually switch between several messages and reply or forward each of them just by using this icon. But you can use it also here on top of the screen to reply all, forward, or there's also a mark button, allowing you to flag the message, mark it as read or unread, or set some category. From time to time, you also need to find some message in your inbox. To do so, just use this search on top right corner of the screen. I need to find email about spendings. So I will use spendings or spending as a keyword. If no results are displayed or you are not sure where the message is stored, you can also expand the menu and select where the search should be active. So I will select current folder and subfolders, or you can also select all folders to search the whole account. Oh, here it is. Perfect. As IceWarp Desktop Client also features built-in Insta messaging client, as you can see here on the right side of the screen, you can very easily contact your colleagues right from the message view. Once you have opened some message, coming from person who is reachable on instant messaging, you can see his or her status thanks to this icon. Once it's green, the person is reachable, it's online. So I can just write Celia how the interview was going. Or you can also use it directly, just by opening the conversation from here. You can also have several conversations opened at once and switch between them just like in the web browser. You can also use emoticons or send a file. And of course, you can also switch yourself to different status right from this menu. I don't wanna be disturbed now. Great, so that was about the messaging and instant messaging. What about calendar events? Working with calendar is simple as well. To create a new event, just select desired time period and write its name. If you'd like to specify more details, just double-click on it to open the detail dialog. Here, you can also specify the participants of this meeting. Once you click on Schedule button, it will open you a free busy dialog, allowing you to find the right time. Send the invite, and that's it. As in IceWarp Web Client, also here on Desktop Client, you can have several calendars selected to see their plans. Just be sure which one is highlighted, as that is the active calendar and new events are stored there automatically. So, that was the basics of IceWarp Desktop Client. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you'd like to see more about Desktop Client, how to configure tasks, contacts, how to set rules, and other stuff, you can have a look at our advanced video of IceWarp Desktop Client. So see you there. Bye. Okay, what else? Did you like this video? So leave us a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any other. I also recommend your next video, which is as well related to IceWarp. So see you there. Bye bye.